2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Weezer, Island in the Sun. Cool. So we only have 4 chords, standard tuning. We got E minor. 1, 2. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. 1, 2, 3, and we got G major. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the strumming, and then I'm gonna show you some other chords for the more advanced players. They play higher up as well. Let's go through that later. And also we do have a bridge that it's happening 2 times. Okay, but let's start with the chords. So the switching is E minor, A, D, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, G, E minor, A, D, and G, E minor, A. That goes on for quite a bit, and then we got the bridge, D major to G 2 times, D major to D to G, and then C major 1, 2, 3 to B7, B7, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret. So that's D, and G. Stay on C, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, B7, 2, back to versa. Up, up. For the verses, bring it down. Do some more muting with your right hand. Alright, let's make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bridge. So for the more advanced players, this is kind of how the song starts, up high here, and I hear it through the whole song. Same chords, just different inversions. So we got an E minor here, which is 9, starting on the D string, 9, 9, 8, 7, and then A minor, let's see, 7, 5, 5, 5, and then D major, 7, 7, 7, 5, to G major, 5, 4, 3, 3. E minor, A minor, D to G. Island in the Sun, Weezer. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome, cool hits. Thank you.